Chautala held a rally. It's now the turn of Haryana Chief Minister to launch his 2014 poll pitch. A huge rally has been organized in Gohana, where the Chief Minister is expected to announce some major SOPs for 2014 on his mind. Now, these are the latest visuals coming in from the rally, where the Chief Minister is expected to address the gathering any minute now. Right, this of course comes just a day after the day after Om Prakash Chautala held a rally. It's now the turn of the Haryana Chief Minister to launch his 2014 poll pitch. And keeping in mind the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, a huge rally has been organized in Gohana, where the Chief Minister is expected to announce some major SOPs with 2014 on his mind. At this point in time, what you're seeing is the gathering in Gohana, where the Chief Minister is expected to address that gathering any moment now. This, of course, there is expectation that some SOPs perhaps would be announced today, keeping in view 2014. Vijay Lakshmi is joining us now. Vijay Lakshmi, we can see there are a large number of supporters really coming in to listen to what the Chief Minister has to say in expectation of the SOPs that perhaps would be announced today.
Well, of course, we really have to see that how Chief Minister of Haryana is going to utilize this particular occasion. But we really can't ignore the importance of Haryana as well. 10 seats are there if we do talk about 2014 general election, and we have seen that how though BJP does not, in present scenario, it does not hold any sort of importance there, but yet Narendra Modi had been able to pull a lot of crowd in Rewari when he held a rally. Now it's after that it's Congress party's big rally. Chief Minister Hooda is going to address people from this rally, and of course, as the elections are around the corner, 5 state assemblies are there, and then 2014 general election is also approaching. So all the political parties are trying to woo people, are trying to showcase their policies. So of course, it is one amongst that only if we do talk about the Haryana and the politics in Haryana.
If we speak about the presence of central leadership, we understand that Rahul Gandhi as well as Sonia Gandhi would be giving Haryana Chief Minister's rally a miss. Any particular reason that's being cited?
Well, of course, as far as the central leadership is concerned, most of the leaders are busy with their schedules in the poll-bound states, and we have seen that how Congress President and Vice President, and in fact Prime Minister himself, are addressing rallies in the poll-bound stories one after another, poll-bound states one after another. So that has been the reason, and of course this is a rally that has been organized by the state unit of Haryana Congress. So of course that seems to be the reason that why the central leadership of Congress party won't be won't be present on the dais, or won't be there in this rally that has been organized by Haryana state.
Vijay Lakshmi, thanks for getting us the latest on that. We'll of course come back to we'll go back to Gohana once the Chief Minister starts addressing that gathering.